The aging of ice cream is done at 5 degrees Celsius. Rapid freezing is preferred to slow freezing in ice cream. True. Continuous freezing takes shorter time than batch freezing. Overrun in ice cream is due to addition of air and addition of stabilizer. Overrun percentage in ice cream is generally 70 to 80 percentage. Which of the following is not a package of ice cream? Dual service. The overrun percentage in Sophie is 30 to 50 percentage. Hardening of ice cream is done at minus 18 degree Celsius. Slow hardening is preferred to fast hardening. False. The freezing point of solid carbon dioxide is minus 78 degrees Celsius. Dry ice is also known as solid carbon dioxide. Soffee consists of 3 to 6 percentage of fat. Which of the following is not a common contaminant of ice cream? Viruses. Pink or reddish color in bread is due to Monilla cytophila. Chalky bread is caused by Endomycopsis fibulifera and Trichosporon variable. Ropiness in bread is caused by Bacillus licheniformis. Red bread or bloody bread is caused due to bacteria Serratia mersens. Red color in the crumb of dark bread is caused by Geotrichum auranticum. The bacteria present during maturation of nectar to honey, Gluconobacter and Lactobacillus. pH of honey is 3.2 to 4.2. The antibiotic used in beekeeping, streptomycin, tetracycline, and neomycin. Which of the following yeast are responsible for the spoilage of honey? Zygosaccharomyces richteri. Lysozyme present in honey has lytic effect mostly on gram-positive bacteria. Chief microorganism responsible for the spoilage of honey is osmophilic bacteria. Mold generally do not grow in honey with the exception of penicillium. Candies are mainly responsible for the outbreak of salmonellosis. The most common cause of spoilage of fruits and vegetables. Mold. Mold are the most common causes of spoilage of fruits and vegetables because they are somewhat acidic, fairly dry at surface, and deficient in vitamin B. Bacterial soft rot is mainly caused by Erwina carotivora. Blots in pickle is due to Lactobacillus brevi. Botrytis cinerea is responsible for grey mold rot. Slimy crot is due to Leuconostoc mesendroids. Downing mildew is due to Phytophthora. Pectolysis of pickles is due to Aeromonas and Acremobacter. Watery soft rot is due to Sclerotina sclerosium. Trichodesmium roseum is responsible for pink mold rot. Which of the following is frequently reported in poultry? Listeria, Micrococcus, Pseudomonas, and Pediococcus. Fruits are added in ice cream at freezing stage. Which of the following is not an example of emulsifier? Lecithin. Sandiness defect is mainly due to lactose. Aging of ice cream mix is done after freezing. False. Whipping decreases the overrun of ice cream. Average ice cream mix has water content of 61%. Normal surface tension value of ice cream mix is 48 to 53. Glucose decreases the freezing point of ice cream. At 20 degrees Celsius, the surface tension of milk is 40 to 60. Fresh dairy product has lower acidity than stale products. The neutralizer of ice cream is SBC. Ice cream is not a good source of vitamin C. Ice has 20 to 25 percentage of overrun. Lactose is sweeter than sucrose. False. Sucrose is sweeter than lactose. Which of the following does not occur in poultry? Archobacter, Carnobacter, and Caseobacter. Which of the following does not occur in poultry? Lactococcus hafina. Sliminess or soaring is due to saprophytic bacteria. In jam and jellies, which of the following is most likely to be responsible for spoilage? Yeast and mold. Softness of pickle is due to penicillium. Anthracnose in fruit and vegetable is caused due to Collectoricum linemuthenium. Penicillium digitatum is responsible for penicillium production and blue mold rot in fruits and vegetables. Black rot in fruits is due to Alternaria. Undesirable odor in sauerkraut is due to the action of which of the following microorganism? Pediococcus cerevisiae. Green mold rot in fruit is due to Cladosporium. Which of the following spoilage is seen in meat anaerobic condition? Putrefaction. Red spot on the surface of meat is caused due to Serratia marsens. Blue color on the surface of meat is caused by Pseudomonas. Actinomycetes are responsible for earthy flavor in meat. When meat is stored at a temperature near freezing, a limited amount of mycelia growth may take place with sporulation. This is termed as whiskers. Thyminidium is responsible for whiskers. Controlled growth of Thyminidium is recommended for Flavor development in meat. Black spot on the surface of meat is due to cladosporium. Green patches on the surface of meat is due to Penicillium expansum. Putrefaction is caused by Clostridium. Thermostabilization of egg by dipping in hot water to reduce the rate of evaporation. Thermostabilization of egg reduces the rate of evaporation by slight coagulation of outer part of the egg albumen. Green rot in egg is due to Pseudomonas fluorescens. Which of the following is a traditional Indian dairy product? Ghee and makhan. Makhan is also known as Desi butter. Moisture content of makhan is about 20%. Fat content of makhan is about 80%. According to PFA, makhan should not less than 76% of milk fat by weight. For makhan preparation, amount of starter culture required in winter season is 2 to 2.5%. For makhan preparation, amount of starter culture required in summer season is 0.5 to 1%. Amount of buffalo milk required to produce 1 kilogram of makhan is 14. Amount of cow milk required to produce 1 kilogram of makhan is 14. According to PFA, maximum limit of free fatty acid as oleic acid in ghee is 3. According to PFA, maximum moisture content in ghee is 0.3%. Butyrorefractometer reading of ghee at 40 degrees Celsius is about 40 to 45. Raked value of ghee is generally about 21 to 28. Bordeaux test for ghee should be negative. Salt egg is used in salad dressing. Salt eggs are not pasteurized if it contain 1.4% of acetic acid. The fishy flavor in fish is due to trimethylamine. Spoilage of egg is caused by bacteria more than by mold. Before pasteurization of egg, stabilization process is carried out to adjust pH. Dun spoilage is seen in fish. Stabilization before pasteurization of egg is carried out by addition of aluminum salts. Egg quality in manually checked by seeing it through a lamp is called candling. Spoilage of cold marinades is due to beta bacterium buchner. Due to severe spoilage of egg, the egg becomes opaque. It is called black rot.